Let me show you how to be a good breezy and change your predictions after.
So the question of, what would the benefit of having a linear model at the bottom of your trees do? It makes things more flexible, right? Without better extrapolation, maybe, but you'll get smoother fits. In some sense, BART is estimating a function with piecewise constant step functions. Putting a linear model there is now allowing you to do piecewise linear. So I imagine for certain functions that are reasonably well approximated by piecewise linear things, maybe a convex function or kind of these polyhedral functions, they'll probably look really good. You may be able to use fewer trees. There's a paper on this where I think they found they could use fewer trees and sort of a smaller number of parameters by having linear models at the bottom of a BART.
Show you how to be a good breezy and change your predictions after.